In this tutorial I will show you how to make reflection and shadow in Photoshop. Press Ctrl J to duplicate image. Name it as a reflection. And drag it to bottom. Press Ctrl T. Right-click and choose Flip Horizontal. Adjust accordingly. Right-click again and choose Warp. Follow the process. Go to Filter. Blur. Gaussian Blur. This amount is good for this image. Click OK. Add a layer mask on this image. Choose Gradient tool. From Basics, choose Color and Transparent. Change color to black. Click and drag it to top. Create a new layer. Name it as Shadow. Choose Brush tool. Right-click and choose Soft Round Brush. Make sure foreground color is black. Press Ctrl T. Hold Shift and adjust it accordingly.